When it comes to the world of electric bicycles, the choice of motor is a crucial factor that can significantly impact your riding experience. Among the various types of e-bike motors available, mid-drive motors have gained a reputation for their superior performance, efficiency, and versatility. In this exploration of the best mid-drive e-bike motors, we will delve into the technology and features that make them stand out as a top choice for electric bicycle enthusiasts, offering a thrilling and seamless ride on a wide range of terrains. In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best mid-drive e-bike motors available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user review before creating the mid-drive e-bike motors list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the mid-drive e-bike motors mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. Tongsheng TSDZ2B eBike brushless motor. Introducing the Tongsheng TSDZ2B eBike brushless mid-drive motor conversion kit, a powerful and versatile solution to electrify your bicycle. This kit is designed to enhance your riding experience in numerous ways. With 750 W of power and a maximum torque of 80 Nm, it conquers steep inclines with ease. Equipped with an internal control axial torque sensor, this motor offers precise, double-sided torque control, ensuring a comfortable and efficient ride while extending battery life. The sleek and lightweight design, weighing only about 3.6 kilograms, adds to its appeal. With CE/EN 14764/RHS certifications and an IP65 waterproof rating, it's a safe and reliable choice for e-bike enthusiasts. The Tongsheng TSDZ2B mid-drive motor kit comes with a 2-year warranty, providing peace of mind for your electric bike conversion project. Elevate your biking adventure with this exceptional motor kit. Number 4. Bafang Mid Drive e-bike motor. Introducing the Bafang M620G51048V/52V1000W mid-drive e-bike motor, a high-performance electric motor designed to revolutionize your mountain biking experience. This conversion kit is a game-changer, offering exceptional power and versatility. With a choice of 750W or 1000W rated power, it provides the oomph you need to conquer challenging terrains. Boasting a remarkable maximum torque of 160 Nm, this motor delivers top-notch efficiency at over 80%. It features integrated speed and torque pedal sensors for a smooth ride. The motor operates quietly, producing less than 55 dB of noise. With e-brake and gear sensor functions, this kit is packed with convenient features. Certified with IP65 and ROHS, it's built to withstand tough conditions. The Bafang M620G510 motor kit is your gateway to an exhilarating e-biking adventure. Number 3. BB Mid Motor eBike Conversion Kit. Discover the BB 120mm, 100mm, 68mm TSDZ2B high-speed torque sensor electric bicycle mid-motor e-bike conversion kit, a user-friendly solution to electrify your ride. With easy assembly, this kit offers a maximum torque of 80 Nm, making it ideal for conquering challenging terrains. It includes a built-in controller and dual-side torque sensors for a seamless and efficient ride. The LCD display provides essential information, while the power options range from 250W to 750W, offering flexibility for various riding styles. This kit ensures a safe, long ride with high efficiency and low battery consumption, and it's designed to fit a range of bottom bracket sizes, including 68 to 73mm and 100mm per 120mm for fat bikes. Elevate your cycling experience with this versatile and feature-rich conversion kit. Number 2. Tongsheng electric bicycle motor. Introducing the Tongsheng TSDZ2B eBike Brushless Mid Drive Central Motor Conversion Kit, a remarkable addition to transform your bicycle into a powerful electric ride. With easy installation on most regular bikes, this kit offers a host of advantages. Boasting a peak torque of 80 Nm, it conquers steep hills with ease. Equipped with an internal control axial torque sensor for precise, double-sided torque sensing, it ensures a comfortable and efficient ride with minimal battery consumption and extended life. This kit, weighing approximately 3.6 kilograms, combines beauty with performance, backed by safety and reliability. With CE/EN 14764/ROHS certification and an IP65 waterproof rating, it's ready for all conditions. Choose from 750W or 500W power options and a broad power assist ratio of 36% to 300%. The Tongsheng TSDZ2B offers an excellent riding experience with an impressive warranty, making it a top choice for electric bike enthusiasts. Number 1. Bafang Bicycle Central Engine Motor. The Bafang BBS01B36V350W eBike Mid Drive Motor Kit is a comprehensive solution for transforming your ordinary bicycle into a powerful electric ride. This complete set includes the Bafang Mid Drive motor, an optional display, chainwheel, choose from 36T, 44T, 46T, 48T, or 52T, brake lever or brake sensor, optional, crank, thumb throttle, speed sensor, cable, and various accessories. Additionally, you'll receive free gifts like a front light, installation tools, battery connector cable, and more. The kit offers a rated power of 350W and a robust maximum torque of 80 Nm. With an IP65 waterproof rating, it's suitable for diverse riding conditions. Upgrade your cycling experience with this Bafang Mid Drive motor kit, and remember that technical support is just a message away if you encounter any issues. In conclusion, angle grinders have become indispensable tools for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. These versatile machines, including the M10 brushless angle grinder, Bosch Mini cordless angle grinder, and DeWalt 20V brushless angle grinder, offer a wide array of features, from powerful brushless motors to advanced safety mechanisms. Whether you're cutting, grinding, or polishing, these angle grinders provide efficiency, precision, and reliability, making them the top choices for a wide range of applications in the world of construction.